I'm going to talk about how we can install Haskell in MacBook M1. Okay, so the first thing is, if we follow the official website page of the haskell.org, right? If you go to download section, so here they are trying to explain it how you can install the things, right? So I have selected, like, I want to go with the Stack actually. So Stack is a cross-platform build tool for Haskell, and that handle management of the tool chain, building the registering libraries and more things. So I have done through the Haskell, so I'm going to all the details with that steps. So if you have installed the homebrew, right, so generally just click on this and it copy paste in your clipboard. So once you have copied this details, or you can directly go to type here and make sure you have enabled Rosetta terminal mode actually. So if you don't know how we can enable the Rosetta mode terminal and how you can install the homebrew, so I have already created a video for it. You can check out my YouTube channel and playlist with home, like MacBook M1 installation guide is there. Okay, once you install, then try to run this command brew install haskell.stack. So it will take a little bit time, and trying to run it, so make sure you have like a good internet connection, otherwise not going to pull all the dependencies. So once installed, generally we check like stack -version, so we can say is 100% is all the up-to-date versions, right? So I have seen this error, like not error, we can say warning. This is something trying to say you are not up to date with the version, so make sure you upgrade and force download all the dependencies. So once I did it, then it looks good, like 2.5.1 is coming to me if I'm doing stack version. Okay, and I followed the instructions how to just test a hello world is running or not with the stack. So again, I followed this website, the command official website, this one, so cnss.github.com. Haskell getting started, just I will put this link. Okay, so how we can go through it. So here is trying to, once you download it, then click the getting started with stack, right? So the link is open up here. So once this is done, then I created, like, through the stack command, right? I'm created my one project, simple, and in this one we can say this one is created, like cable file is also created, and all the dependencies what I am going to use is also is coming by defaults, and this is main.sh file, right? And in this is just saying module main, where main IO, we are using this IO term, like okay, IO computation which is performed as some IO before returning the value of type. So just we are generally printing the hello world, just trying to run it. So I followed all these instructions through this page, nothing else. And once I did it, just I try to run, like, installing GSC stack setup. So once this is done, then try to run stack GSCI, right, to run your Haskell code. So we can see here, right, I did all these steps, like stack GSI setup, right? And once this is done, so if I am going to with stack GSHI stack, let me do command plus. Okay, so I am it's going to be under like preload again. So stack is now I'm main method. So if I run it like main, so it's printing hello world right here. So that means it's perfectly working fine. We can use Haskell in M1. That's really good. So you can try and follow all these steps, and hopefully you will have also able to run the Haskell MacBook M1 and just follow all these instructions. So hope it's help you. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.